Namaste everyone. This is M. Srinivasu, English faculty from DAV High School, Artillery Township. At first, I heartily welcoming you all for the interactive session from Class 10th English Unit 1, B Reading. Every success story is also a story of great failures. After having had some 2-3 sessions, now let us get into the topic that is now here. In the previous session, we have seen about the life of Abraham Lincoln, and it is one of the examples that the author Shivakera would like to give us, that any person's life cannot become successful unless he underwent with some of the failures in his life. However, this is another example provided by Shivakera for all of us. At first, let me read before we get into explanation part of it. In 1913, Lee Forrest, the inventor of the triode tube, was charged by the district attorney for using fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of his company by claiming that he would transmit the human voice across the Atlantic. He was publicly humiliated. Can you imagine where we would be without his invention? So now let us just get into this. In 1913, the inventor of the triode tube is Lee Forrest. His name is Lee Forrest. When we read about Lee Forrest from the other source of books, we identify for having patent rights for the triode tube. He had underwent with a lot of obstacles, but ultimately it was given triode tube as invention of Lee Forrest. And this one, you see, the inventor of triode tube. What was he? Invented the triode tube. I have written a meaning because it is very lengthy. What is a triode tube? So have a look at here. A triode tube is an electronic amplification. What is this? An electronic amplification tube having 3 active electrodes. So now what now? A triode is electronic amplification tube having 3 active electrodes, invented in 1906. When was the invention took place? 1906. The triode vacuum tube was first electronic amplification device. The invention founded the electronic age, making possible amplified radio technology and long distance telepathy. So 2 different things are given here. I read it once again. What is the meaning of triode tube here? A triode is an electronic amplification tube having 3 active electrodes, invented in 1906. The triode vacuum tube was first electronic amplification device. The invention founded the electronic age, making possible amplified radio technology and long distance telepathy. So whenever we read this triode tube meaning, we understand 2-3 different aspects. One is nothing but called triode is nothing but called electronic amplification tube. So nothing but what else? It works by the electricity. Otherwise, you can say the power supplied by the battery. However, you can convert it. So power given by the battery, with the battery it may run, or the direct electronic amplification. Now, this is a tube which consists of 3 active electrodes inside. If you can see the textbook, and there is a picture given where the Lee Forrest was holding this triode tube, his invention, where you can find more clearly that there are 3 different electrodes inserted inside. Understood? And when was it invented? It is invented in 1906. So what is mainly the vacuum tube inside this was the first electronic amplification device. You know very well, electronic amplification in the sense you can have an antenna. I think you know, in the olden days, I think some 20 or maybe 30, 40 years or 20 years before you may identify, there was a black and white televisions where antenna was set on the top, or you can say there was an antenna was stretched out for the radios where these antennas are taking the signal and then they will release or they will work on. For example, it is a TV get worked on, or it may be a radio get worked on with the electronic amplification device. Understood? And here this invention was found at the electronic cage. So in 1906 when this triode tube was invented, you can find this is an origin for electronic cage. Nothing but inventions related to electronics is done after this invention. And moreover, what else? What are two different main things that are brought forward by this triode tube invention is, the first one is amplified radio technology. Wherever you might be, so you can listen to the radio through this particular amplification. You can have one scale shown on the radio where you have a tuner. You can just keep moving. In each signaling system, you will have different kind of stations get connected to listen different kinds of programs. However, it might be this is the first one to support amplification for the radio technology, and the second one is long distance telepathy. This is another one. Now we are talking over cell phones, and though there was no electronic wire or something like that, so this is origin in 1906 by the invention called as triode tube. So I think you might be clear by this triode tube invention. Triode tube it generally supplies amplification to any kind of a device to grab the electronic device. This amplification, it is a tube with consisting of 3 different electrodes inside, and you might also see it was invented in 1906, and with this invention the electronic age was begun, and even more it is made possible amplified radio technology and the long distance telepathy. Now getting to the point here, Neil Forrest invention. So whenever Neil Forrest invented this triode tube and was announced, remember here, and was announced that his invention would transmit the human voice anywhere to anywhere. That is what his announcement was. For example, you see, this generally takes or receives the signal like a radio, for example. So if you can be here and some other person somewhere in the long distance also can listen the voice by modifying his signaling system like electrodes. So so that is how the invention works. So whenever he was announced in 1906, this is called triode tube, and with this invention, any person can listen voice from anywhere without any wire connection. So this particular one was really shocked the people, and then what they were climbed there, now you see here further lines, and were charged by the district attorney. So he was given some, they will be asking this man to come and attend the court at the district level and to give his explanation why he cheat the people, stating that his invention to move wonders. Now we come across what are the wonders he was mentioned there. Now see, charged by the district attorney for using, why was district attorney? Attorney means person who looks after law and order. You can say district, or you can collector, you can call, or you may also call it is a court that he was called for getting an explanation. However, it is for using fraudulent means to mislead the public. We break it here into buying stocks of his company. 2 different things. This is the second one, and this is the first one. So why was he called to the court then? Reason number 1. Reason number 1 is using the fraudulent means to mislead the public. First one, what else? He is using something, device like a triode tube, which never worked at all according to his explanation. And what is he doing with this? He is misleading the public. For example, we see on the roads of India sometimes, and some people are selling talismans like tithe we call. So they may say it works very well. If you tie it, corona will go instantly. We are identified. These kind of things people believe. That are nothing but called selling their fraud products and misleading the public. So in that particular time in 1913, Lee De Forest was also charged in the district attorney for the same reason. So he made an invention, he said this invention works, but it doesn't work. Moreover, he is misleading the public with that. Second one, what else? Into buying stocks of his company. Why did he tell that his product would transmit the human voice? Because he wanted to sell all the fraudulent stock of his company in invention. That is how he was told the people like that. So two different things. You are charged for misleading the public. You are charged for, as he was misleading the public, only for getting benefited for by selling his products to get money. You understood here this point? So he wanted to sell his triodes to the people and get money. Understood? So this is nothing but called misleading the public because that product is fraud. So that is what the claim. They were blamed on Lee De Forest. So claiming that he could transmit the human voice across a country. So what they say by the triodes too, you can transmit in the sense you can, for example, if you are now performing anything, that voice will be heard by someone else in the long distance. So that is what called as, that's what he said. He said that your voice will be transmitted to somewhere, it may be heard somewhere else. But that was even fraud, people believe in that time. So when there were electronic age started with different kinds of inventions, people really was shocked there for each invention. Even you see the steam engine is the biggest invention. You can have an electronic one is also invention. There are so many, even camera or even printing machine. There are so many other inventions. All of them made people shocked in their life, and even more, they also have thought different about this new inventions. However, they took it into their life and started living a luxurious life. However, it is. Human voice across Atlantic. Now he was publicly humiliated. Humiliated here is insulted. Insulted, and he was put to shame in front of all. For what? For having invented a great invention like a triodes tube, and that will be the main reason for now a long distance telepathy or maybe a radio technology. For all these origin is triodes tube. For invention of particular one, Lee De Forest was charged and was put into the court for getting explanation. Now you see, can you imagine where we would be without his invention? So if you see, the Lee De Forest couldn't have invented the particular triodes tube. Now how our technology would be by now? People now are getting all communicated through online, or maybe a person somewhere else in some thousands of kilometers away can able to see the person and you can listen his voice. This is all made through the amplification devices, which are generally works with the electrodes inside. So basic electronic system was first invented by Lee De Forest. That was the main thing for transmitting the human voice. That is now in all the cell phones that we are now using, and that is also a main reason for the radio technology. That particular person was thought that he was cheating the people by only selling his product like triodes tube, and then only people are getting cheated for buying that fraud product. So he was called to the court and asked for explanation. I think you now understood, my dear students. Now you see that great inventor is Lee De Forest. His invention is the triodes tube. Triodes tube helps to transmit the human voice, and it is the origin for the electronic case. It was invented in 1906. Of course, it was called in 1913. So there is a time, nearly 7 years of time. That's no matter. So it was even a device which is an origin for the radio technology or long distance telepathy. For all of them, origin is this triodes tube. But that particular person was humiliated in the court publicly, even in the newspapers, and thought that he was a cheater, he was a fraud, he was selling the products which is really fraud. They never work in reality. So without this particular invention, we could not have had such a great development in the electronic or in the other IT system or information technology also, what I feel. So this is a different paragraph, a typical paragraph which we need to understand more thoroughly, my dear students. You just read the lines 1 or 2 times and then watch it 1 or 2 times if you want to get it more connected with. Thank you very much, children. We meet in the next session with the upcoming lines of the particular reading. Every success story is also a story of great failure. Thank you.